So if you ever had an issue with a USB device, or even in the case of a laptop, like a built-in Bluetooth, built-in Wi-Fi, if you ever had an issue with those devices going to sleep, meaning you step away from your PC or your laptop and when you come back, you have no Wi-Fi, or you have no Bluetooth, or you have no wireless mouse, or you have no wireless keyboard. The reason is because most of the times your device has settings that have been enabled from the factory or whatever, so that those devices will use a power management system. So they'll use as little power as possible, and after your PC or your laptop has no activity, it goes to sleep, then your device will go to sleep. The problem with that is that a lot of times those devices, they don't wake back up. So you'll log into your PC, you'll log back into your laptop, and everything is working fine except for your wireless mouse or your wireless keyboard or your Wi-Fi. This is how you can fix that. So just go down to Device Manager in your Windows 10. You can just hit Start and type Control Panel, and it'll come up. Right there. And then once you go into Control Panel, you can just go and find Device Manager, or you can just type Device Manager. All right, you go into Device Manager. In the case of mine, I have an issue with this Cisco or Linksys AE2500. It's a USB Wi-Fi dongle that keeps going to sleep and never wakes back up. I have to unplug it and plug it back in for it to come back on. So what I have to do, what you do is, you right click on it, hit Properties. Now there's two reasons it could be doing it. I first went straight to the power management, and a lot of times this first one will be clicked. So unclicking it sometimes fixes it, and you would hit OK. But if you have one that's really stubborn, this is why. You hit Properties on that same device, you go to Advanced, and you scroll down to Minimum Power Consumption. So minimum power consumption is another setting that works along with the power management, where they both will use as little power as possible, and then they will turn themselves off when the device goes to sleep, which is a good idea, but for whatever reason, they never come back up. So you go ahead, you click Disabled, and you hit OK. When the device comes back up, just to check, minimum power consumption, disabled, power management, disabled. All right, that's how you fix that.